Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel, the Corporate Yogi. Today I will be teaching y'all how to do Sarvangasana or the shoulder strap. So let me first demonstrate the complete pose to you and then we will be learning it step by step.
Now while you'll watch how this asana is performed, let's just understand its benefit. The very first benefit of it is the blood circulation, as the blood travels upside down with much ease than blood traveling from down to up. This asana also helps to give you a healthy and glowing skin. Moreover, it solves the problem of constipation. It helps you increase your strength as well as your flexibility. And people who are facing some hair fall problems, practicing this asana daily for around 3 to 4 minutes will help solve the hair fall problem as well. Now let us understand how to do this asana step by step. The very first thing is you should lie down comfortably on your back and rest your legs on the wall. Slowly exhale and bring both your legs up while lifting your waist up from the ground. Take your hands and place them under your back to provide extra support to your body. Get your legs, waist and back in a straight line, slowly and steadily. Stretch your torso towards the sky to get your whole body in straight line. At this point, your body will be perpendicular to the ground. Whole body weight should be lifted by shoulders with some support from your arms. Begin holding your body in this position for 10 seconds. If you can hold it longer, that would be great. Now slowly fold your legs from knees and slowly bring your body into starting position. Rest for few seconds and try to perform this yoga pose for 3 to 4 times.
So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.